Good evening. Welcome to Etra TV's Share Market News at 5. Every day evening we discuss the Nifty price behavior from big picture point of view as well as for intraday trading. We are going to look at the chart and purpose. So we will look into the chart. I am taking you to the chart. Now I'll just remove some of the analysis what I have already done. We will look into the fresh look of what the present situation is. Every day we are discussing, isn't it? So we were looking at the support level. If you look into the chart, this is the hourly chart. Here see, this is the top 1 and top 2 are showing a resistance, so double top, and the bottom level is also broken, so this is giving a confirmation for a downfall as a direction. So after that we found last Friday it was taking support at 8,890 level. If that is broken, there could be substantial fall, but we looked at the gap could be closed at 8,840, then fall may continue. But very unfortunately today it made a big fall, and it opened with say about 100 points gap and went down by 150 points. Okay, now currently how should we look at it? So I am going to apply the Fibonacci tool to understand where the support level comes at. So I am just connecting this levels and drawing this Fibonacci tool, and we look at it. So when we are looking at this Fibonacci, now you see the 50% level. If you look at this is the 50% level, 8,790. Today it just broke and started falling, but support is, if you look at 61.8% is giving a support. So currently we should consider this as a support level. When I said this support level, it is somewhere around 8,730 is the support level. You can keep some 10 points lower. 8,720 could be your support level. If that is broken, then there could be a possibility that even it can retrace by like the full length, the 100% fall can happen. So this lower level comes at 8,580. So 8,720 is broken, 580 can be the important support level. In between, yes, there could be another support level which we found is 8,670. So 8,670 can be a point where you should start booking a profit. If that is broken, again short can be initiated. This is how we study the fall on the falling side. On the upside, if you look at, we start moving up. This 50% level is 8,790 is the important level. If that is broken, it can move towards 8,840 in the first phase and to 8,890. This could be a very strong resistance level. As long as it's not going above 8,890, then that fall can happen. So currently the broader range, if you look at on the downside 8,580 and the top side is 8,890. And currently the important points are support starts at 8,720 and 8,790. This is how we should take up our trade. Remind you the current support what we are taking, we can take it as 8,720 level, and the fall can be good at another 150 points. On the upside, we can take the resistance level at 8,790. So once it breaks these levels, we can start thinking about initiating our trades. I hope you like this video, and you can subscribe, refer it to your friends also to subscribe, put your comments and likes. Thank you very much.